Hello and welcome to my channel. I hope you're doing good watching my videos. So today I'm going to share with you my first order that I got a client, my daughter's friend, her sister actually got married today. And she asked for a cake that has a vanilla flavor with the strawberry jam, with the naked decor outside with flowers. So the first things I did was the strawberry jam. So I have here 1 kg of fresh strawberries. You can have frozen strawberries as well. So 1 kg of strawberries, I'm just gonna blend it here. You don't have to, but I just want it to be with no seeds and also like really no lumps in it. So I blend it before I start cooking it. So 1 kg of strawberry, as I said, with 400 grams of custard sugar. And just gonna put it in a medium fire and just keep boiling it until it starts to thicken. So as I said, you can just cook it straight away if you don't want it to be like, if you want pieces of the strawberry to be in it. So straight away after it's cooked, I'm gonna put it through this just to get rid of any seeds, so most of the seeds. So just slowly, and then I keep it aside until it cools down, so it's gonna get more thicker when it cools down. So that's it. You can use any fruit, really. It's the same method. So I prepared this first. So the cake, I used a vanilla sponge. So I made 6 sponges, 9 inches each. The cream, I had it before in my channel, is 600 grams of cream, double cream, and 500 grams of mascarpone with 200 grams of icing sugar and vanilla. That's it. Just gonna put it together just now. So a little bit of cream first in the board, and then I put the first layer of the cake. As I said, the cake is vanilla, so I didn't make the video, but if you want I can share it with you. So I'm just gonna put a little bit of cold milk on each cake just to keep it more moist. Just cold milk, normal cold milk. And then I'm gonna put the first layer, I'm gonna put the jam, and then on top of it I'm gonna put the cake and a little bit of jam as well, and keep going on each layer. As I said, this is a 6-layer cake, so each layer I'm gonna put the jam and the cream. On top of the jam I'm gonna put a little bit of cream. So the double cream and the mascarpone goes really nice together. So I'm using the rain just to keep the cake straight, and it makes it easy to work with. So we'll keep going with each layer. As you can see here, I made a few layers. So each layer I put the jam, the cream, and then a little bit of more jam, and then I put another layer until I finish all the layers, and I keep making the ring go higher and higher, so that the cake can be level. So that's it. When I'm done all the layers, I'm just gonna put cream all over the outside of the cake and on the sides as well. So because she wanted the naked cake, so I have to remove the cream. I have to leave the little bit of the inside of the cake showing. So keep going with the cream like that until you reach the desired amount of cake showing. It can be semi-naked or completely like naked. So keep going with it. And then I'm gonna put it in the fridge and leave it there for the whole night, and then in the morning I added more cream and just fixed it a little bit more. Just to have just a little bit of the layers showing. There you have it. So I made a swirl in the middle, and I'm using those flowers that I got from Amazon. There was a box for £15, I think. So she wanted the baby blue color flowers on the cake, so that's the ones I'm using. So I'm just gonna use here some spray glitter on the flowers, just to give them more sparkle. So they come with the leaves as well, so I'm gonna put 2, and then I'm gonna add 1 more, so it's gonna be 3 flowers on the top. So there you have it. Also, I'm gonna use the silver paper, the edible silver thingy, that I don't know what it's called really. So I'm just gonna put a few pieces around the cake. And this one I bought as well from Amazon, so is customized. I put Nikah Mubarak on it, so I got it from Amazon for about £5, I think. So just add it to it. So, and there you have the cake. I hope you like it. So I had leftover jam, so I thought let me make some cupcakes as well. So vanilla cupcakes, and I put a little bit of strawberry jam inside, and the same cream I used on the cake, I used it the same as well on the cupcakes. So I just made half white and half light blue. As you can see, the cupcakes, I just put jam inside and decorate it with the sprinkles and light baby blue cream and white as well. So there you have it, my first order. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you liked the video, and I will see you again very soon in my next videos. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.